Question number 17. Circle two numbers with a difference of 8. Remember, the word difference is a posh word for a gap of 8. So let's have a look at the numbers. So a difference of 8. Now, there are various answers we could do here. What we could do is just go to the first number and then count on 8. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as long as we've counted up 8, we could have -5 and 3. We could have those circled. Now, that isn't the only answer. We could have started on -4. So we'll do this in a different colour. So from -4, count on 8. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will get you to +4. So you could have -4 and +4. You could even have started on -3 and gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and got to 5. So -3 and 5 was another answer. Now for the next part of the question, we've got to write two numbers with a sum of -6. So they've basically, when we put them together, they've got to make -6. Well, if you do start with -1 and then add -5 onto that, so in other words, you're doing -1 and then another -5, so -1 and then minus another 5, that is going to be -6 altogether. So one possible combination you could have is -1 and -5. -1 and -5 makes -6 altogether. There's another answer you could give, and that is -2 and -4. Because if you -2 and then you minus another 4, you've also -6 altogether. So there's your two different answers. There's various ways you can do this question and still get it correct.